Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to rename a Pinterest board. So if you're on your home feed, all you need to do is head to your profile. So top right hand corner, click on your profile picture. From there, you're going to scroll down and we're going to click on saved, and this will take you to your boards. So from there, you want to find the board that you want to rename. So for this tutorial, let's say it's this one for me. So you're going to click on the little pencil icon, which is the edit icon. So clicking on that, and right away you should see the name section. So all you need to do is put in the new name, edit it, change it, do whatever you need to do. And then when you're happy, you're going to click on done. And that's how to rename a Pinterest board. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.